I Can I pet your puppy? Of course. What's her name? Her name is Master. Why is her name Master? She licks my face. Master, why is her name Master? She chews my buds. Master, why is her name Master? She whisks my bucket. Master egg. Oh,
네.
do you really love Master? Yes, I do. Why do you love Master? I can't watch TV with her. I can't dance with her. I can't swim with her. I love Master.